The AS parts washing and water recycling systems. The lower reservoir of the unit is initially filled with 30 litres of mains water and 50 litres in the upper hand wash basin. The washing of ink trays, paint rollers, tools and canisters takes place in the upper basin. Then rinsed with a spray gun activated by a foot pressure switch on the floor. Many items can be cleaned and rinsed per cycle. These versatile, freestanding, multifunctional wash-up systems are supplied to countless industries, with over 600 units around Europe, cleaning inks, paints, varnishes and coatings from tools and equipment, producing environmentally friendly, cost-effective water recycling and manageable dry waste. The versatility of these units is in their durability and simple use. Very little training and guidance is required before the operator can use the system with every confidence. When the cleaning cycle is completed, the ink or paint-laden water is ready for the process known as flocculation. This means separation and removal of pigment from the contaminated water into a manageable waste residue to leave clear water. The contaminated water is first agitated via a stirrer operated by a simple switch. The agitator is set to a 10-minute cycle or a manual operation cutoff. Once the agitator is switched on, the flocculation powder or fluid is gradually added. Separation of the pigment from the water occurs within minutes. Once flocculation has been successfully completed, the stirrer is switched off and the visible residue settles to the bottom of the basin. By removing both stoppers, the entire contents of water and flocculated residue drains quickly down into the filter container below. The residue is held in the container whilst the clear water filters through. and is collected in the lower clear water reservoir which supplies the spray gun, providing clean water under pressure for rinsing down the unit and then beginning the next wash operation. As you can see from this before and after sample demonstration, the pigment has been completely removed from the sample on the left, resulting in very clear water for reuse or disposal as required. After many repeated wash cycles, the filtered residue is removed as dry waste and disposed of in the appropriate manner. A simple change of filter bag, taking a matter of seconds, prepares the system for the next series of wash operations. The AS200 is a dedicated waste ink disposal and water recycling system that separates the pigment from the 200 litres of contaminated water in the same way as the AS80. The operator collects waste ink from the trays during the print run and leftover ink after job completion into a measured container to be dispersed into the reservoir for treatment. The agitator is activated by a convenient switch on the top of the unit. After the separation agent has been added in the usual way and flocculation is complete, the clear water is simply drained away to the lower tank via an integral siphon ready to be pumped back to the upper section with the foot-operated spray gun attachment. The water is then ready to be reused. The waste residue is then tipped into the filter basket below for safe and legal disposal. The dry waste is collected over many repeat operations, which makes the AS200 an extremely cost-effective and environmentally friendly system, an essential tool for the safe disposal of surplus inks and paints. For further information on either of these machines, or any of the Alphasonics' extensive range of products and services, contact us direct, or visit our website at alphasonics.co.uk.